Happy Friday, class! Today is the end of our rocket project. So, as always, you should be doing your Outlook question of the day. We've got 2 of them today. Today, for SolidProfessor, it is a catch-up day. So, catch up on any of those residual videos that you've not done. Double check Infinite Campus. Make sure that you've got all of those complete. And then last but not least, continue and finish your rocket project. So, parts, assembly, and drawings are all due by end of day today. So you need to have your 4 parts at a minimum. They all need to be assembled, and you need your assembly drawings of at least 2. So one is the full assembly, and then one of your 4 parts. As a reminder, and in case you can't tell, I'm out today. I'm at Butler Tech, so make sure you're staying focused and finish strong. Next week is our last week before spring break, so make sure you all are locked in getting stuff done so grades look good going into that break. And I will see you all Monday.